So I know you've heard about Cobinhood and you've heard that they offer zero trading fees with their exchange. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick review on Cobinhood, show you how to use it, how to get yourself set up. So the first thing you actually want to do to get started is you want to create an account. Now, I must let you know that if you are a citizen of Japan or the New York State, you won't be able to create an account. So I'm sorry for that. But if you live in any other place, you are free to make a Cobinhood account. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself started. Just put in your email address, password, confirm password, press that you're not a robot, then you will sign up, and then you're on your way to making, purchases on Cobinhood. Now once you log in, you will be put to this front page, and it's a nice interface, I must say. It's very similar to a lot of the exchanges, but it's pretty much for more of the experienced person. So if you like graphs and stuff, you'll like Cobinhood. But the first actual thing that you want to do when you get started is, if you're planning to use USD to buy your Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're gonna want to come over to these three lines over here and go to accounts. Now your first thing that you want to do is you want to get verified, and you actually want to put your card information in there so you can actually put money into the account. So you're gonna head over to limits. Now once you press the limits, you're basically gonna have to verify your account. So what you want to do is you're gonna have to do the level 3, because I think level 3 is the only one where you can actually use your debit card, and so you would want to use level 3. Now you're gonna have to do them in order. So you're gonna have to go through level 1, then level 2, then level 3. I mean, for some people it's gonna be strenuous, but I feel that since they do offer no fees, it's gonna be worth it in the long run. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through the process of verifying yourself on all 3, and then once you get to level 3, you'll be able to use your debit card to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with no fees. So now we're gonna head over to the home button. We're gonna go to exchange. Now if you want to buy coins on here, I must say that the only downfall to Cobinhood is it's a relatively new exchange, so they don't offer that many choices, which I don't see a big of a problem, because you can always add new coins on here. As you can see, they only got Ethereum, Cobinhood, they got Ethos on there, they got Dragon Chain, they got BAT, they got Tron. Not that much. I'm not sure if this is Doge, DGP. I don't think that's Doge. But they don't have that much options on there. But I don't see them, having these amount of options for a while. I'm sure they'll keep adding. For Ethereum, they probably have the same amount. But that's probably the only downside to it. I do think that since they offer no fees, that's gonna make up for them not having that many choices. But if you want to buy Bitcoin on here, you're able to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cobinhood with your US dollars. So that is a good thing. They have a very nice interface with their you can use their depth charts, you can use their price charts, you can alter it from standard, you can use the trading view, actual graphs. I mean, it's a very good platform to use. Now if you want to get started, I'll leave all my links in the description. There's no referral links and anything, you just get started. But hopefully, if you don't like exchanges that much, I mean, you can get started with Cobinhood, because I know a lot of you don't like fees. I, for one, do not like fees at all. But until they add a couple more choices on here, I don't see myself using this very heavily. But I'm gonna give it a try with the Bitcoin and see how it works, if it's worth it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for new content. Go make your multiple streams of income. I will see you in the next video. Peace.